Remove, replace, or hide sensitive information in screenshots with Snagit. Screenshots are helpful to create easy-to-follow how-to guides, training materials, and to share information. But sometimes screenshots include names or other personally identifiable information that should not be shared. Snagit has several tools that allow you to remove, replace, or hide parts of a screenshot. To remove sensitive information from a screenshot, let's use the Selection tool. Click on the Selection tool at the top of the Snagit editor. Use your cursor, click, and drag over the information you want to remove. Let go of your cursor, and the selected area will be surrounded with a rectangle. Press Delete. The transparent background fill option was selected. It left a hole where the selected area was removed. To avoid a hole in your image, choose Autofill. Click and drag over the information you want to remove. Press Delete. Autofill uses the colors in the image to fill in the background. Another option is to replace sensitive information rather than remove it. In this image, we will use the Smart Move tool to replace these names with made-up names. Select Move from the Snagit Editor toolbar, then click the Smart Move toggle. Snagit automatically detects elements or objects in the screenshot and makes them selectable. Double-click on a name, and a text box will appear. Snagit will try and match the font as closely as possible. Type up a made-up name and press Enter. Continue this to replace all the names in the image. Now let's show you how to hide sensitive information with a few Snagit tools. The Blur tool is great to quickly hide areas of a screenshot. Select the Blur tool from the Snagit Editor toolbar. Click and drag your cursor over the sensitive information. To give your image a redacted look, use the Shape tool. Click on the Shape tool from the Snagit Editor toolbar. Select a shape from Quick Styles. To continue with the redacted look, select the black rectangle. Use your cursor to click and drag over the information you want to hide. Let go of the cursor. To redact all information, use the Simplify tool. Select the Simplify tool from the Snagit Editor toolbar. Then click the toggle switch to turn on Auto Simplify. Snagit will automatically cover the image with shapes. To reveal areas of the image, select a shape you want to remove. Press Delete. Field labels are now displayed, but not the sensitive information that is in the screenshot. Before you share your image, save it as a PNG, JPEG, or other image file type so that the viewer cannot remove the shapes or blur and reveal sensitive information underneath. It is important to note that there are third-party tools that can reverse blur effects. To secure information, choose the Shape tool or Selection tool option. To learn more about Snagit, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.